Welcome to the Spend Wise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. In today's short video, I will show you how to make your own French fries. They taste good, they're easy to make, and you can spice them any way you like. They're much healthier than the processed ones you get from the store or from a fast food place. These just have potatoes, oil, and spices. So first of all, gather up all your ingredients. You'll need potatoes, oil, and whatever spices you want to use. Then mix up the spices in a little bowl that you want to use. In this video, I'm using a recipe for a spice mix shared by one of the other Spendwise moms, so I'm not sure of the origin. Sometimes I just use salt and pepper, and sometimes I use Tony Chachere's Cajun seasoning. You can make them as plain as you want or as spicy as you want. I'm putting in 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 a teaspoon of chili powder, and 1/2 a teaspoon of salt. And then I'm mixing them together. Next, peel your potatoes. Get a gallon Ziploc bag and put a little oil in it. Then cut your potatoes and put them in the bag. Zip up the bag and mix it around to spread the oil on all of the fries. Then open up the bag and add your spices. Zip up the bag again and mix the fries around to get the spices covered on all of the fries. Put the fries on a cookie sheet covered with parchment paper. I use parchment paper because I found that French fries can stick to the pan even if you grease it well. If you prefer to grease the pan though, go ahead. Bake at 400 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. Take them out and enjoy them as soon as they are cool enough to eat. Yum! Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos just like this.